ready to take your Clockify time tracking to the next level with visual proof of your work. Today, we'll unlock the Sreenrecording and Sreenshot features in Clockify, making time entries more detailed and project documentation a breeze. Let's dive in. First, open the Clockify web application in your browser. Head over to the settings page by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner, and then select settings from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Screenshots and Sreenrecording. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see two toggle switches, one for enable screenshots and another for enable Sreenrecording. Simply click on the toggle switch next to each feature to activate it. The switch will turn green, indicating that the feature is now enabled. Now, open the Clockify desktop app. When you start tracking time, you'll notice a small camera icon in the corner. This indicates that Sreenrecording and Screenshot capture are active during your time entry. To adjust the screenshot frequency or Sreenrecording quality, go back to the web app Screenshots and Sreenrecording settings. You can customize how often screenshots are taken and the quality of your Sreenrecordings to balance detail with storage space. After you've finished tracking your time, the screenshots and Sreenrecordings will be automatically attached to your time entry. You can view them directly within the time entry details, providing valuable visual context for your work. Encountering issues? Check out the Clockify Help Center for troubleshooting tips. Common problems include browser permission issues or insufficient storage space. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and configured Sreenrecording and Screenshot features in Clockify. Now you can enhance your time tracking with visual proof of your work. Like this video and subscribe for more Clockify tips and tricks.